1, 2, 3, let's go!
Good morning, guys. I originally was not gonna vlog, but I realized that like I am doing a good amount of things today that's worth vlogging, and that doesn't really happen on most days because I'm either doing homework, being lazy, or just have nothing to do, or I'm working. So this morning I already did yoga and made a smoothie. I didn't vlog that, but I just put like frozen mango, strawberry, banana in the smoothie with some spinach and almond milk. And next on my to-do list is to pay my tuition for the semester, so I'm going to do that and then either work on homework and get ready, or get ready and then work on homework, which probably the second option because I am going to be outside today, which means I want to try and get pictures for my Instagram, and which means I want to dress cute. So probably gonna get ready after I finish the smoothie. And yeah, welcome to the long-awaited day in my life as a college student. Okay, update. I just went to my grandma's and dropped off some leftover containers that she let me have. Last time I went over to her house and she made food for us, me and my family. And then I went over to my dad's and got my bike to bring here because my boyfriend lives about 5 minutes away and it's a really easy bike ride. So some of the time I'm going to bike over there. It's not too cold, the weather is okay. And just to have it to go on bike rides and something to do outside since things are limited now. But I just got back. I'm really happy because if you didn't know, I'm a huge Taylor Swift fan, lucky number 13. And I asked my family when her Folklore album was released, she came out with a bunch of things, merch on her website, and I asked my family if they all could buy one for me, and then I would buy whatever else I wanted after that. So my dad bought me a sweatshirt, my mom bought me a sweatshirt, my grandma bought me a sweatshirt, and I bought myself a sweatshirt, and a vinyl, and a notebook, and a CD. And my dad surprised me and ordered 2 things for me instead of 1, just because he saw it and said that it looked like something I would wear. And I've been waiting for weeks. I think I'm on the 7th week that I've been waiting for all this stuff to come in. And when I went over to my dad's to get my bike, one of the sweatshirts came in and I wanted to show you it. This is the extra one that he got me that he said that like he just could see me wearing. So it says Folklore, and then it says the Taylor Swift album underneath, and then on the side it says EST 1989 because she was born in 1989. But it's just like a tan colored sweatshirt, and can't wait to wash it and wear it. But yeah, I think that I am going to get ready to go over to my boyfriend's now. My roommates are all downtown shopping right now, so I was gonna meet up with them, but I figured I'd just take the time to come back, vlog a little bit, clean up my room a little bit, and pack and go. But yeah, I think that today is going to be one of the last nice days of the year, so we're gonna go get ice cream and probably sit outside and play some cribbage because we're old like that and like to play cribbage. But yeah, that's a little update. I paid my tuition, and I also did a couple quizzes that I needed to get done for my online classes, and I probably will work on more homework tonight. But yeah, let's get ready.
Just trying to play some cribbage.
And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I
Film your hand.